Hey guys, I'm here with a brand new video. Today is actually going to be like toddler, kids related content, so if you're here for that, do keep on watching. If not, you can watch some other videos of mine. Today is actually going to be a little haul for my daughter. She is about 2 years 8 months around about, because she's gonna be 3 in December, and I just got her a couple of clothing from Kiabi. So Kiabi is like a budget friendly place, which I would say is similar to Primark. So if you like Primark, it's very similar. The prices are low. Honestly, I like to get her a mix of clothing. I do love Next for kids, and I do love Matalan as well, and I do love my Primark clothing for kids. The clothing for kids from Primark, especially for babies and newborns, are out as well. The texture, the cotton is beautiful, and you can't not get from Primark. Now that's just one thing I want to tell you guys, but without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys what I picked up from Kiabi for Riley. She's going on 3, so most of the products, this is what happens when you're a beauty person, you say products, not clothing. So most of the clothing is between the 3 and 4. Probably hear her, like she's in the other room playing, you probably can hear her as well. But I just wanted to share with you what I picked up, because if you're a mum, this is the content you want to see, because that's what I like seeing. I like to see what other people get their children. So without further ado, let's just get into this little haul for Riley. So I did pick up some leggings, because my daughter lives in leggings, especially winter time. They're just easy, and let's be honest, she is literally like my little mini me when it comes to clothing, because I try and dress her in similar things that I wear, and I don't know why, but I've been told off by my mom about it, because she's like, you can't put her in everything in black. And for once this is different. I'm in grey and white, and I'm normally always in black. But yeah, we always like to get black leggings, because black leggings are the way to go. You can pair them up with any type of top and it looks good. So the leggings are really inexpensive from Kiabi as well, because they're just €3. And I think even the newborn era to about 36 months, you can probably get them for even €2. So again, very similar to Primark, just basic black leggings. They have all the other colors under the sun that you can choose from. These look very long, and Riley's still quite small, but I wanted to get them in the age, I think 4, just so she can like grow into them, because the ones she has right now I think are 24 months. And we're seeing her legs, so we know that they're getting small for her. So that's one thing we have to look at as well. I'm going to go into trousers. I think that'd be easy to do. I did get her some skinny jeans. I love jeans on Riley. I did get her... Did I get her? Yeah, I did. She already has a black pair, but I noticed that they're getting small for her. So this was the reason why we had to get her jeans. And I'm just noticing that one of them was actually reduced to €5, which I didn't notice. So that's a steal. So these are supposed to be $9.50, and they went down to $5, and I did not notice that. So these are just skinny jeans. They remind me of my Topshop Jonies, I'm not gonna lie, they're just so funny. So I love my Topshop Joni jeans, and they're basically these, but Riley version. So she's got this shade, a normal jeans color, which I've never bought her before, because I literally just bought her one pair of black, and I got her black. Now there was different types of black skinny jeans, and this is the blackest of the black, and again, I'm in the blackest of the black Joni jeans, so I had to get her a pair. I did get these in the age 3, and these were €8. Inexpensive, can't complain. We love jeans. I love jeans really, and they're just nice and cute and cool to wear for a kid. So that's that one. I did see this. Now I don't know if it's just the one-off, if it was still coming in and they hadn't put them out, or they've all gone. But this is adorable. Now I've been watching Zoella for the longest, Zoe and Alfie for the longest I can ever imagine. They're the OG British YouTubers, and yeah, I love watching them. They've got 2 kids now, which is really sweet, and they're just a bliss to watch, and they're just down to earth, genuine people. If you want to watch family vlogs, they're the people to watch, and I've been watching the vlogist, and they're just a lovely family. And I saw Zoe, I don't know why I still call her Zoella, but I saw Zoe in something similar on herself on a morning out, and I really thought this would be really cute for Riley. So I did pick this one up. It is an age 4, but we tried it on and it doesn't look that bad, so we did pick it up, and I'm going to try and see if I can find the price. I think it was about 12, yes, 12 euros. But this was a pair of jeans, leggings, or black top, even though I got yelled at because I said black top by my mom, or a cream top or something like that. It would look really cute, and some little beauties. I already imagined the full outfit out of them all. I do love their codes that you kind of put together. So you have the top and the little leggings. This I did get, if I'm not mistaken, age 4. So you buy these separately, but again, it reminds me of so much of Primark. I love the little frill at the bottom. So we get, these are 6 euros. Again, really cute. They've got a little tassel. We do love prints. I don't like prints on me, but I'm not gonna say no to that on my daughters. Like, that's fine. And yeah, so they're both 6 euros each, so about 12 euros for the whole thing. And these are great for either going out or inside. I just really think they're really cute. So that one is that set. Next we're on to some basics. So they have these little basic tees, which are about €2.50, €3, yeah, €2.50. I just like to get them because even for school, they do ask for a winter outfit and a summer outfit, just for them to have at school, just in case they need it, or if something happens. Again, Riley's now potty trained, but we've only potty trained her this month, and the poop situation is still a bit not 100%, so we know that might be an issue, but I don't think she poops when we're out. She never poops when we're out. She always poops at home. So I don't think that would be an issue, but she might have accidents with pee. Every kid does. She's not even 3 yet, so we took that into consideration. But other than that, we're fine. Got another white top, whitish cream top, which I actually think I got to go with the waistcoat, with the leopard lace coat, and just a basic tee, and I think this was 3 euros. So again, very Primark prices, basic, easy, everyday colors that I know that will go with everything. Because as you can see, I'm still very neutral for my kids, even though I do have color. Don't worry, she does wear a lot of color, especially in summertime. She's always in colorful dresses, but I feel like I have a theme going on with these colors. They're very black, cream, and jeans. That's interesting. Okay, I'm just noticing that now. I did get 2 of these as well. These are like little, I love the texture on these. I don't know if you guys can see this. So the texture is gorgeous. And I got a cream one with the same like little pattern at the bottom. So then these were like 5 euros each. So I got a cream one, and I did get black ones, a black one, because you never know when you're going to need something like that. Very easy to put on, to go with any outfit, etc. And I got cardigans, because the cardigan that she has is probably from like age 1. And let's be honest, we need new ones, and she's nearly 3. So I got this one. So it's like a creamy white. And I got a cute little peachy pink. I was gonna get a black one, but my mom gave me the devil eye, so we opted out of not getting the black one, because I would have probably got a black one myself. So these were 8 euros. I do have a gorgeous gold glittery one, which must be the same age. It must be an age 3. These are age 4 actually. So I did get these lightly bigger, so she can like wear them in, and obviously she is going through a growing spurt at the moment. And I also obviously never leave the store without some little accessories for her, and these are the two that I got. I just got some more clippy clips. These go missing so easily. Honestly, you never have enough, and these are all like €2.50 each, so we can't go wrong with that. But as you can see, can you see the color range? It's cream, it's white, it's pink, and it's neutral. That's basically my palette. That is my clothing palette, isn't it? It so is, guys. I did not think I did that, but I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Kiabi haul. It is very similar to a Primark in my opinion, but in Malta, so can't go wrong with that. I'm not sure if it's Italian. I'm not sure the original origin from where Kiabi is actually from, to be fair, but this is what I got her, and yeah, I can go wash them now because I filmed the video. Hope you guys have a lovely day wherever you are in the world. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you soon.